Hey 8th grade, this is Ms. Harkness. This video is for an introduction to Eureka Module 2 with specifically looking at translations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a figure by counting on a coordinate plane, but then also by applying a rule and getting the ordered pairs without needing a coordinate plane at all. So here in these first two examples, we are going to just count on the coordinate plane. It's important to be patient in this process, to move one vertex at a time, one vertex at a time, and not try to do the entire shape all at once. So let's do this first figure. It says translate 1 unit down. So I'm going to go to P, and I'm just going to go 1 unit down and label it P prime. I'm going to go up to Q, just come down 1 unit, label it Q prime, and then go to R, 1 unit down, R prime. My final step is to connect them and then assess if the shape looks the same. And yes, this one does. This one is complete. It's important to assess because if it does not look the same, you will visually be able to see it and know you made a mistake. All right, and then here on 2, 5 units left, 5 units down. So let's start with B. 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's B prime. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I usually go back through and erase my count marks once I'm done counting it out because it just looks better on the final product. And I encourage you to use those counters if you need them, if you want to be able to see how you're doing. Now, I've lost my D point. So I got to count that one again. It's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, perfect. So I'm going to erase this line. Connect here. I knew it was not right because when I looked at the original figure, I could see that B goes up toward D, like D is higher. So I could tell in my construction that it wasn't correct. So super easy to count on the plane. You just follow the rules that are listed for you. All right, here's one where we are going to apply a rule and find the location of the image without using a coordinate plane. So it says trapezoid OPQR is drawn on a coordinate grid where O, P, Q, and R are these identified points. Pedro draws its image, trapezoid OPQR prime, in the same coordinate grid using the translation rule where X, Y becomes X plus 2, Y minus 4. Make that look a little better. That means that we're going to go right, 2, and Y being my vertical axis, I'm going to decrease. I'm going to drop 4. So what I like to do is I list all the ordered pairs first. So I list them down so I have room to work. And then next to them, I write the prime because I'm about to apply this rule. So let's look at O for a moment. It's at -1. But we are going to add 2 to it. -1 plus 2 is 1. But then my y value, which is at 2, I'm going to subtract 4. 2 minus 4 is going to be -2. For P, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 minus 4, -2. 2 plus 2 is 4. -1 minus 4, -5. 0 plus 2 is 2. And then 3 minus 4 is -1. And that's all you have to do. You don't ever need the coordinate grid. If you wanted to draw one out, plot it, do the translation, pull the ordered pairs from there, that is an option. So hope this video helps show you how to translate on a coordinate plane and with a rule.